No, we don't have a constitution yet, but Baruch Hashem, we did sign on to the ICCPR. We ratified it in 1992 or 3. That's the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights. And in my humble opinion, I'm not an expert. I have an MA in human rights and whatnot, but I'm no way an expert. And in my humble opinion, Israel is likely, in this, for example, in this case of Yitzhak Keshet, is in violation of this treaty, namely Articles 9 and Articles 14. Article 9 talks about not being able to illegally detain someone, and how and when you can detain someone. And I think it was totally off the wall that they detained him for 3 months on this. They said they were concerned that he would try to interfere with the investigation and this and that. Well, that was a very simple solution to that. You simply could tell him that he has a restraining order from talking to any of the people involved in the case. And then if he talks to them, then you could arrest him. But you don't have to preemptively arrest him unless you want to wear him down, which you succeeded, it seems, in doing, and trying to get him to stop being mayor, because he may or may not have had minor moral offenses with a certain number of women. And again, that's another thing. If it seems to me from reading that article there, that the chances are that all these things were consensual. All these women agreed, maybe because they wanted to, maybe they just, I don't know. A lot of people like being hugged. I also like being hugged. But maybe they just wanted to get a hug. Maybe they also wanted to be a corona monitor and they thought that was nice. Whatever it is, but it seems like it was all consensual. And I don't see the crime in that. I mean, according to halakha, it's a crime. Obviously, a man shouldn't be touching any woman he's not married to. But the last I checked, I don't think that the Israeli secular law it entails the halakha as the standard for what's illegal and what's not. And last I heard, it's not illegal to hug people in Israel or to shake their hands or whatever else might be. So I hope very much that, and by the way, that's Article 9. Article 14 says, this is an amazing concept, it says that any person accused of a criminal offense has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. And now this whole way, end quote. And now this whole way that they've just pushed him out of office in this political putsch